If you're the type of guy that's a, Minuteman or militiaman or prepared citizen, right? I want you to ask yourself a few questions. When was the last time that you grabbed your gear out and you went through it? That you topped up your canteens, your camelbacks, you've checked the expiration date on your food, that you've oiled and cleaned your weapon, that you've maintained your magazines, that you've cleaned your gear, made sure it's ready to go, right? When was the last time you tried putting it on super fast, right? Is your gear staged so you can get it on quickly, right? Or does it take you several minutes, 10 to 15, to get in and out of your stuff, right? Also, when was the last time you put your gear on and worked with it, right? When was the last time that you've, gone out with it, gone into the woods, you've walked around with it for an hour or so. You figured out that, hey, this spot rubs on me, right? This spot's causing blisters and pain. I should fix this, right? Or when was the last time that you went out and trained with it, right? Have I tried drawing my weapon and dry firing, especially with handguns or knives, right? Happens all the time. I see guys that, put a holster here or put a mag pouch here, right? But something blocks it. They can't get it out there without having to fidget with it, right? So check your stuff, put it on, train with it. It's a reminder to get out there and train with your gear, right? You can have all the best gear in the world, but if you don't know how to use it, you're going to be an ineffective fighter.